Over the last year, there have been many changes to the YouTube algorithm. And while these changes can be scary, when you understand what's happening right now, you can create your own opportunity and grow that much faster. Stick around.
Brian G. Johnson.
Brian G here, and to grow on YouTube, stake your claim and amplify your message. Do that by subscribing. Now, if you really want to jumpstart your channel, access my free 40-minute YouTube Masterclass, link in the description. Getting your videos suggested by the algorithm can 10x your views literally overnight, and it's not that hard. You see, suggested video views used to be based much more on topics. However, today, a percentage of those suggested videos are selected by the algorithm for each individual viewer on the platform. And this spells opportunity for you. Just like you're seeing here and here, these videos were selected for me based on my viewing history. And this is the algorithm in 2020. Its goal is to understand, that is, to really understand what an individual viewer or user will click on and watch for an extended period of time. And here's where things get exciting. You see, today, very few YouTubers truly understand how this process works, and more importantly, how to take advantage of it. This is a great example. Check this out. These two videos are interesting because the algorithm served them to me from channels that I wasn't subscribed to. And there's no reason why it can't be your videos being suggested just like these. So how did these videos get recommended to me then? Well, it's really pretty simple. I clicked on a video, 10x Growth Con Russell Brunson, and I watched the video for an extended period of time. An extended period of time is longer than videos on the same or a similar topic. Think watch time, specifically average view duration. And once I was done viewing, YouTube matched my user history with videos it felt I would enjoy watching, and they served up these very videos. And this is the foundation of the algorithm. The more you understand how it works, the more you can ethically influence the algorithm to select and push out your videos to more and more users, allowing you to grow your channel really fast, effectively allowing you to create your own YouTube opportunity. And opportunity defined is a set of circumstances that makes it possible to do something, such as getting more views on YouTube. YouTube is saturated, it's crowded, and it's competitive as heck. It's no longer enough just to upload videos and hope. Sadly, those days are long gone. However, that doesn't mean it's impossible. In fact, this year, hundreds, thousands of YouTube channels will be launched, and they're gonna blow up. This is how you ensure it happens for you. Fact of the matter is, it's far easier to understand than so many make it out to be. The algorithm can be broken down in very simple math. It's nothing more than 5th grade arithmetic. For example, if you understand that 3 + 2 = 5, then I guarantee you that by the end of this video, you'll have an understanding of what's working right now in 2020 and how you can stack the deck in your favor and win on YouTube. Now, first off, we've got to talk about the channel first date. This is where we start diving into a whole bunch of new information, and it's absolutely critical. You see, a lot of YouTubers, they wonder, why is it that YouTube is not promoting my videos? Why is it that YouTube isn't pushing out my videos to a big audience, a group of people? However, this thinking that YouTube takes a single video and pushes it out to a big audience is absolutely not how the algorithm works. Now, what's flawed about this kind of thinking is the starting point being the video. The starting point begins with an individual YouTube viewer, and YouTube sifts, sorts, and it filters down videos it believes that specific viewer will like. For example, this document breaks down the likelihood that YouTube will select your video for that specific viewer. Notice it says right here, as an example, consider the user's past history with the channel that uploaded the video being scored. How many videos has the user watched from this particular channel. If a viewer has watched a whole bunch of your videos, YouTube and the algorithm is going to be far more likely to continue to push out your videos to that specific viewer again and again and again. And this is where channels succeed or fail. You've got to think about succeeding one viewer at a time. When that one viewer lands on your video and they start to watch, what they do next will absolutely seal the fate of your channel. And that's why we call this the channel first date experience. You see, sooner or later, the YouTube algorithm is going to select one of your videos to be shown to an individual viewer for the first time. And for your channel to succeed, that viewer's reaction to your video has to be positive in a way that the algorithm can measure. How does the algorithm measure that? Well, they could subscribe, or they could watch another video from your channel, or they could watch nearly the entire video they clicked on. Another thing they could do is leave a comment, like, and subscribe. You see, any of these things send a positive message to the algorithm. And when you really think about this, it's clear that the YouTube algorithm doesn't really value small creators, and a lot of small creators have voiced their opinion on that. However, the YouTube algorithm doesn't really value big creators either. The thing the algorithm values is the viewer experience. The algorithm has to make sure the viewers are really happy, or YouTube is going to fail. Viewers are going to go somewhere else. So what can you do? How can you grow? How can you take advantage of this information? And how you do that is beginning with the audience. You want to identify a specific group of viewers and you want to cater to them. Now, this doesn't mean you can't do a number of different things. You can, you just got to be smart about it. If you're just getting started, if you are covering a multitude of topics, that's only going to make it more challenging for you to grow. So begin by identifying one specific group of viewers you want to craft and create content for. Then next, what you want to do is you want to think about their wants and needs, the things that they're excited about, the videos they're already clicking on. For example, what if you've got a gardening channel? What would the audience want? The knowledge and information to allow them to grow amazing plants and flowers indoors or out. And you want to write that down. You want to think about what the audience wants, because we're going to use that in the next step to create a powerful channel that they respond to. For example, I'm thinking about creating a second channel that really dives into how to make money, more on the marketing side. And what do people want when they're trying to figure out how to do like online marketing? They want to make more money. So I came up with a channel name, Amplified Income, because it clearly communicates the very thing that the audience that I'd be going after is interested in: how to make more money with online marketing. So do the same with your channel. Think about 2 or 3 words that really identifies your audience wants, and then you want to create channel messaging around that. And that's pretty easy to do. Why not create YouTube channel art that communicates the audience wants? And it only gets better. You see, you can use your channel messaging to drive far more subscribers with the same amount of views. How do you do that? Simply say your channel messaging and then ask viewers to subscribe. So I mentioned my channel I'm thinking about launching, Amplified Income. I might say something like, hey, if you want to learn how to amplify your income online, consider subscribing. All right, let's get into the view machine. This is so powerful. You begin by thinking about that audience you're going to target. Then you're going to focus on 3 different but related subtopics. And furthermore, each one of the 3 topics have to relate to one another. So let's talk about that channel I've been thinking about launching, Amplified Income. One of the playlists I would create would be affiliate marketing. Why? There's a huge demand for people that want to learn about affiliate marketing. Number 2, I would create another playlist and I would target the search term make money. And the third would be really related to ClickFunnels or Kajabi. So those are the 3 potential topics that would become playlists that would later be developed into audience view machines. But we have to qualify each one. And the way you do that is you've got to come up with 50 50 different keyword phrases for each topic. So remember what topic number 1 was, affiliate marketing. So how do I qualify? I jump on YouTube and then I'm gonna go straight to the search bar, and we keep this really simple. The only thing you do is you type in affiliate marketing, and then you look and you see, are there search terms? And I see affiliate marketing for beginners, without a website, 2019, etc. And then I add an A and look at all the different keyword phrases I have. Affiliate marketing, Amazon, Amazon tutorial, ads, AliExpress, A to Z, advanced, etc. Then I click on B, affiliate marketing, blog, beginner, business, business plan, and C, and so on. Now, in order to qualify a topic for that playlist, remember, you've got to come up with 50 search terms, and it's clear that I can definitely do that with affiliate marketing. So at this point, that list is qualified, or that topic, and I go on to the next one, make money. And once again, you can see we're identifying tons of keyword phrases. That topic is qualified, and then on to the next. So you're going to create 25 videos for the first 2 topics. So for me, that would be affiliate marketing, 25 videos. And then it would be make money, 25 videos. And at that point, what you're going to see is one of those playlists is going to start driving more views. More of the videos are going to do well. And here's what's awesome. Quite honestly, not all your videos are going to do that great. It's just how YouTube works. If you look at big channels, you'll see that maybe 5% of the videos they publish drive 90% of the views. If you publish 25 videos on the one subject, the likelihood that 1 or 2 of them is going to do very good is, well, very good. And at that point, you've got something driving views. And when someone comes in and they're searching for affiliate marketing, in this case, do you think it's likely they would want to watch another one of my affiliate marketing videos? Yes. Do you think it's likely that YouTube would serve one of those videos based on viewer history? Yes. And then finally do this. This is a powerful YouTube secret that will allow you to drive more views to the videos you're already publishing. Click on the video on the screen now. I'll see you there, and when you do, you're gonna feed a poodle. Now I've got 2 poodles and they're hungry. I'll see you on that next video. You dig?